Are you tired of paying high trading fees or feeling limited by your current investment platform? Have you ever wondered which online brokerage truly offers the best bang for your buck in Canada? If you're nodding your head, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into a head-to-head battle between two of Canada's most popular online investment platforms, Wealthsimple Trade and Questrade. For years, Canadian investors faced a limited landscape dominated by traditional banks with hefty trading fees. But then, the fintech revolution arrived, spearheaded by companies like Wealthsimple and Questrade, promising lower costs, greater accessibility, and more control over your investments. They fundamentally changed how Canadians invest, making it easier and more affordable for everyday people to participate in the markets. Wealthsimple Trade burst onto the scene with a revolutionary promise: commission-free trading. This was a game-changer for many, especially those with smaller portfolios or those who wanted to trade more frequently without racking up significant costs. It quickly became the go-to for beginners and those looking for a simple, intuitive investing experience. Questrade, on the other hand, has been around longer, establishing itself as a leading discount brokerage. While not entirely commission-free for all trades, it offers a wider range of investment products and more advanced tools, catering to a slightly more experienced or active investor. It positioned itself as a robust alternative to bank-owned brokerages, offering significantly lower fees and more flexibility. So, the question isn't just about which one is better in a general sense, but rather, which one is better for you. Your ideal platform depends entirely on your investment goals, your experience level, your trading style, and even the types of assets you want to buy. Are you a passive investor looking to build a long-term portfolio of ETFs? Or are you an active trader who wants access to a variety of assets and advanced research tools? These are the kinds of questions we'll be answering today. We're going to break down every critical aspect of both Wealthsimple Trade and Questrade, from their fee structures to their available investment products, user experience, account types, and even their customer support. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what each platform offers and be able to make an informed decision about which one aligns perfectly with your financial journey. Let's start with arguably the most important factor for many investors: fees. Fees, the cost of investing. This is where the rubber meets the road. Investing, while essential for wealth creation, can be chipped away by fees. Understanding the fee structure of your brokerage is paramount. Wealthsimple Trade's main draw is its commission-free trading on Canadian and U.S. stocks and ETFs. This is a massive advantage, especially for those looking to dollar-cost average into their investments regularly or make frequent small trades. You don't pay a flat fee per trade, which can quickly add up on other platforms. However, there's a crucial caveat: currency conversion fees. When you buy or sell U.S.-listed stocks or ETFs without a U.S. dollar account, Wealthsimple charges a 1.5% currency conversion fee on both the buy and the sell side. This can significantly impact your returns if you're frequently trading U.S. equities. For example, if you buy $1,000 of a U.S. stock, you'll pay a 15 Canadian dollars conversion fee. If you later sell it for $1,000, you'll pay another 15 Canadian dollars. That's $30 in conversion fees for a round trip. Wealthsimple does offer a premium and generation plan that gives you access to a U.S. dollar account, effectively eliminating these recurring conversion fees, but these plans come with their own monthly or annual fees, or asset minimums. Questrade's fee structure is a bit more nuanced. They offer commission-free ETF purchases, which is great news for passive investors building diversified portfolios. However, for stock trades, Questrade charges a commission, typically 1 cent per share, with a minimum of $4.95 and a maximum of $9.95 per trade. So, if you're buying a single share of a high-priced stock, you'll pay the minimum $4.95. If you're buying 1,000 shares of a low-priced stock, you might hit the $9.95 maximum. For options trading, Questrade charges $9.95 plus $1 per contract. They also have competitive currency conversion rates, generally lower than Wealthsimple's standard 1.5%, and they allow you to hold US dollars directly in your account, which means you only pay the conversion fee once when you initially convert your CAD to USD, and then you can trade US stocks without incurring additional conversion fees on every buy and sell. This is a significant advantage for those primarily investing in US markets. When comparing fees, it boils down to your investing habits. If you're mainly sticking to Canadian stocks and ETFs, Wealthsimple Trade's commission-free model is incredibly appealing. If you're frequently trading US stocks, or a mix of Canadian and US stocks and ETFs, Questrade's US dollar accounts and lower conversion fees might make it more cost-effective in the long run, despite the per-trade commission on stocks. Investment products. What can you trade? Beyond fees, what you can actually invest in is critical. Both platforms offer a good selection, but there are key differences. Wealthsimple Trade offers access to thousands of Canadian and US listed stocks and ETFs. They've recently expanded their offerings to include fractional shares for a selection of popular stocks and ETFs, which is fantastic for beginners who want to invest in high-priced stocks without having to buy a whole share. You can also trade cryptocurrencies directly within the Wealthsimple Trade app, making it one of the few regulated platforms in Canada to offer both traditional investments and crypto in one place. However, Wealthsimple Trade does not currently offer mutual funds, bonds, GICs, international equities, outside of North America, or options trading. This limited selection can be a drawback for more experienced investors or those looking for a truly diversified portfolio beyond stocks and ETFs. Questrade boasts a much broader range of investment products. You can trade Canadian and US stocks, ETFs, with free purchases, mutual funds, bonds, GICs, options, and even international equities. This extensive selection makes Questrade a more versatile platform for investors who want to explore different asset classes or implement more complex trading strategies. For instance, if you're interested in income-generating investments like bonds or GICs, or want to delve into option strategies for hedging or speculation, Questrade is the clear winner. They also offer access to initial public offerings, IPOs, which can be an exciting opportunity for some investors. So, if simplicity and a focus on Canadian and US stocks/ETFs, plus crypto, are your priority, Wealthsimple Trade is sufficient. But if you're looking for a wider investment universe and more advanced trading instruments, Questrade is the superior choice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.